You perfect.
Yes,
Nice.
sir. We're earned. I'm about to show the bikes now. I'm going to the
Oh
bikes. I'm going to
shit.
the bikes. You let me know what you think. You
It's
let me know.
that's fire, man.
So this is the
Nice.
new collab drop.
It's a leather wrap on the.
All this
It's
is
a
leather
leather
too.
wrap
It's
on the
all
Ryker.
leather right here. This is leather bike. They didn't do this leather though, but
Oh
this leather.
shit.
What you think? What you think?
Nah.
That's
They powder coated the
fire,
rims.
man.
Oh.
It's a
Ah,
leather wrap on the. It's a leather wrap
what?
on the
Wow.
Riker.
Leather wrap on the Ryker. Watch the helmet though. Just a
Wow.
little pack. You got one of these on your bike?
Nah.
Oh
Oh.
man.
Wow. Wow.
They made the shoes too, the Can-Am shoes with the surgeon. These Can-Am surgeon shoes to match the bike.
Woo!
Oh man.
So this the first one, the first
That's
swaggy one
fire.
with the leather seat. Seat feel real comfortable too.
That's a
They got their little brand right here, the surgeon.
that's
Feel me? Watch the
crazy.
helmet though. The helmet going crazy.
No
Woo.
Leather
way.
helmet wrap.
That's fire.
Fire.
That's a.
Man, the Can-Am shoes.
That's
That's
crazy.
fire.
So these shoes gonna be dropping too.
No
Wow.
Now I'm gonna
way.
go to the next one. This is the next one. Check out the helmet first. The
That's
snake
fire.
skin helmet. All snake skin. Look at the
Fire.
helmet though. This is my favorite helmet though. I ain't gonna lie. This helmet look like Venom or something. You see
That's
it?
fire.
Oh shoot. Alligator
Wow.
and
Ooh,
snakeskin wrap.
That's fire.
Wow.
snake skin on it. Snake skin, all snake skin right here. I didn't know this
That's
alligator. This snake
fire.
skin right here.
Oh shoot. Alligator and snakeskin wrap.
Wrap with the this leather, all leather right here. Gold rim
Wow.
going. What it do? You already know. Surgeon
Wow.
style, baby. Yeah. Snake
That's
skin.
fire.
That's
All
crazy.
this leather. Snake skins. I mean alligator feet. Alligator pouch.
Woo!
Wow.
Wow.
Alligator back
That's
That
crazy.
is sick.
with the shoes to match.
Now, are these are the
Alright. Look, the last one, because they about to cover up, but this for the girls.
are you gonna be able
Woo!
to buy
The
this?
puff skin type for the
Can you
women.
buy this stuff?
Wow.
See? Crazy.
That is sick. Now, are these the?
Okay.
Are you going to be able to buy this?
Fire.
Huh?
Can you buy this stuff?
That's
Yeah, it's gonna go
nice.
up for sale. I don't know when it dropped, but it's going up
That's
for sale for
nice.
sure. Not these ones though. They sending these to like they museums and stuff. They said.
Okay.
Okay.
But yeah, these are shoes to match.
Fire.
Crazy.
That's
Yeah.
nice. That's
Fire.
nice.
Yeah. So like these are prints of how it started.
Damn.
Okay.
That's amazing.
Fire.
Yeah, those that's
These
crazy.
are just
Damn.
designs they came up with that they could, you know.
Oh, I
Can-Am
like that.
shoes.
That's amazing.
That's nice. That's fire.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, I like that.
Okay.
So these is like clamp. You can clamp these
Yeah, the
on. They clamp
colorway.
off, clamp off.
That's nice. That's
Yeah,
fire.
the colorway is sick.
That's where the girl one came from. This design right here.
Okay.
Those are sick.
Yeah,
All
the
the
colorway.
materials all the materials they use.
Yeah,
That's
the
nice,
colorway
man.
is
What else
sick.
they got going on at the event?
It's my favorite.
Those are sick.
Yeah, though, that's how they came out.
That's nice, man. What else they got going on at the event?
Just walk around. They got free drinks and stuff. They got live custom shoes and stuff going on right over here. You're going custom shoes and shirts right here. So you get a shirt made on the spot. They got some drinks upstairs, food vendors outside.
Oh, so it's a big show.
Yeah.
You gonna play some basketball in there or something?
Just walking around, it's just like they doing a reveal, so all the people came out here to check it out.
Oh, so it's a big
Okay.
show. You gonna play some basketball in there or something?
That go my boy right there, Dominic. That's the one that came up with all these ideas and all that.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what I want to do. You get an interview in here.
Hey, I'm working on getting a side by side. So let Can-Am know I'll be getting one of them side by sides.
11 tonight. They just got
That's the 2023 right there.
Right.
You know it ain't nothing you ain't seen.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm working on getting a side by side. So
okay.
Can-Am know I'll be getting one of them side by sides.
Yeah.
That's the shocks.
2023 right there.
You could turn them up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They got lights right here.
Change your ride style.
Yep.
Change your ride.
What is this? The 2023?
Yep.
Yeah, lights here. What is this?
That's the
I
shot.
like that. Hey, my man, Can-Am's on the chat. They on the
turn
chat
them up.
now.
You can turn them up.
Yeah. Change your ride style. Change your ride.
Yeah, okay.
Absolutely.
They try to do they upgrade. Look at the pedals. I know you didn't see it all.
That's my man. Can-Am's on the chat. They on the chat now.
Oh, they on the chat.
Can-Am, LA's lit tonight. Yeah, New York City is smoked up tonight. We under smoke.
Yeah, look, the carbon on here.
Yeah.
Hey, Can-Am, I'm gonna pick up my side by side next month. So what we gonna do? Y'all gonna fund this build? I'm gonna do a whole
Can-Am,
YouTube
LA's lit tonight. Yeah.
LA lit tonight.
New York City is smoked up tonight. We under smoke.
It's going down.
Yeah, thank you,
up
Can-Am, for telling me all
next
about
month.
it.
So
You didn't want to send me to LA to check it out. All right.
I'm gonna do a whole YouTube channel.
I'm gonna